Hey, my name's Tom, and my team and I, we make this. It's something we've been working on to fuel your adventures, to inspire you to get out there, to share with other people, or simply to take a moment and enjoy when you're on your own. It's coffee, but really good coffee. With how dark the world is right now, it's never been more important to look after your mental health, and so I believe it's vital to escape the noise and to immerse yourself in nature whenever you can. If taking the time to go on a walk, explore somewhere new, or simply make a cup of coffee can make you happy, then surely it's worth doing. So will our coffee change your life? Or maybe. But more than that, I hope it serves as a reminder to get out there and experience new adventures, to share those moments and do it all over again. A process I like to call the outdoor grind, which may or may not stick. But what I hope does remain is the fact we've spent a lot of time perfecting our coffee, matching blends to unique experiences, roasting it the old way, no electronics in sight, fresh to order so it arrives at your door with maximum flavour. So get out there, enjoy our coffee if you choose to buy some, check out our website to learn how to brew it in the great outdoors, and I'll see you out there.